Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to Shopify. So if you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. What you can do is you can actually click on the settings right here on our left or lower left of our sidebar. Click on the settings, and in here you can see this option for payments. Now under these payments, you should be able to see in here the PayPal. It's actually already in here. You just need to complete the setup. So head over and click on this PayPal right here. As you can see, they have 0% transaction fees. So what you can do is just need to connect your account. Click on this complete setup right here, and then this will open a new page wherein you just need to log in your PayPal account in order to connect it to your Shopify. Now enter in here your email. So for example, for me, I'll just enter in here my email. Once you have entered your email, click on next right here. And after that, you just need to enter in here your password in order to set up your PayPal business account. Once you're done setting it up, you should be able to connect it completely on your actual Shopify store. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. And if you also found this video helpful, simply leave a like below as well, because it has reached more people. See you soon.